is how to stop air conditioning plant on board ship. So I will tell the procedure first, so that when I do it in place, it will be easy to understand. So what we usually do is we need to close the condenser outlet, so that the gas get collected in the condenser, and once the low pressure comes, the compressor will trips by itself, and the system stop. So then next thing is we need to stop the compressor manually. So blower fan will be still running. If you want to shut down the blower fan, we can shut down the blower fan also for doing any maintenance. So this is the procedure for stopping aircon fan. Let's go in the place and I'll show how to do it. Now I am going to shut down the air conditioning plant. So for that, what I need to do is this is the outlet valve for condenser. So I am going to close this valve. So once I close this valve, the gas flow to the compressor will be isolated. That means your compressor won't be having any gas for saving function. Once that is achieved, the compressor will trip under low pressure trip. So I am going to close now. You can see the initial pressure. This is the initial pressure before I close the condenser outlet valve. So now I am going to close. Collected in the condenser. Here it will get collected, and here you can see the pressure is dropping. Yeah? That's all. Now the compressor get tripped. You can see the gas is getting collected over here. So you can see the pressure. Pressure is already down. So the system is tripped already. The next thing is I will stop the plant. This is your aircon, you can see it, air condition compressor panel. So I am going to stop it. I switched it off. Power is isolated.